Hello everyone and welcome to our assignment for the Management Information Systems MIS course. In this project, we answer questions covering the main models discussed throughout the syllabus. Each model represents a key concept that help us better understand how MIS support business process and decision making. This assignment is a great opportunity for us to deepen our knowledge of the subject and enhance our overall understanding through teamwork and collaboration. What are the components of IT infrastructures? IT infrastructures typically includes the following components. First, hardware. Physical devices like servers, computers, data centers, switches, routers, and other equipment that make up the base of the IT system. Second is software. Operating system, enterprise application, database management system, and productivity software. In a simpler way, it's the programs like Windows and the apps that help users and devices work better. Third is network. Network is the connectivity tools including LAN, WAN, internet access, firewalls to protect the information, and network management tool. So the connection between devices, its job is to let the data move around smoothly. Data storage. Physical and cloud-based storage system for data management and backups. So you can use services like Google Drive or Apple iCloud to store your data in the internet. Also data center. Special buildings with a lot of servers that store and process big amount of data. Sixth is people. The IT team who fixes issue, set up system, and keep everything running smoothly. Also servers. Things like cloud computing to tech support that help manage and improve the IT system. And the last one is security. Tools like firewalls and antivirus software that protect the system from hackers and threats. What are the principal issues in managing hardware and software technology? The main challenges include cost management, high cost of acquisition, upgrade, and maintenance. Organization must carefully budget and plan to avoid overspending while still meeting technology needs. Second is compatibility and integration, ensuring new technology work well with existing system. If system doesn't integrate smoothly, it can cause errors, delay, or require costly customization. Third is security risk, protection against cyber threats and ensuring data privacy. Cyber attacks can lead to data loss, financial damage, and harm to a company's reputation. Fourth is scalability, adapting infrastructure to accommodate growth or changing needs. Business need flexible system that can grow or shrink without major distribution or costs. Fifth is obsolescence. Hardware and software become outdated quickly. Technology evolves fast, so companies must update regularly to stay competitive and secure. Sixth is vendor management. Depends on and coordination with multiple vendors. Managing contracts, service quality, and communication with different vendors can be complex. Seventh is compliance, adhering to legal and regulatory standards. Failure to comply can result in fines or legal issue, especially when you are dealing with sensitive data. The last one is user support and training. You need to ensure that all the employees can use the system efficiently. Without proper training and support, users may struggle, leading to reduced productivity and more technical issues. What are the principles of database management system? The principles of a database management system are foundational concepts that ensure efficient, secure, and consistent data management. Key principles include: first, data independency, the separation between the application and the data. This allows changing in data structure without affecting the application layer. Second is data integrity. Ensure accuracy and consistency of data through the constraints like primary keys, foreign keys, and check constantly. Data security controls who can access or change data. This includes password, permission, and initiation to protect sensitive information. Fourth is concurrency control. Manages multiple users accessing data at the same time. It prevents problems like two people changing the same data at once and causing conflicts. Data abstractions shows only the needed part of the data to users. Users don't need to see the full complexity, just the part they work with. Sixth is transaction management. Make sure transactions are done fully and correctly. If one step fails, everything rolls back to keep the data constant and safe. Efficient data access speed ups how to search or update data. It uses smart ways like indexing to find results faster and improve performance. The last one is backup and recovery. Helps store data if something goes wrong. If there's a crash or loss, the system can bring back the last saved version of the data. What are the principal tools and technology for accessing information from dashboard? The principal tools and technology for accessing information from a database to improve business performance and decision making fall under the broad area of business intelligence (BI) and data analysis. Here are the most important ones. First, structured query language (SQL), core language for querying relation data board, used to extract, filter, and manipulate data directly. Second is business intelligence (BI) tools, provide dashboard visualization and reports. Example is Power BI for Microsoft. Third is online analytic processing (OLAP), support complex queries like trend analysis and forcing, often used in data cubes. Fourth is data warehousing, optimized for read-heavy operation and analytics. Example, Google BigQuery. Fifth is ETL tools, used to prepare and move data from source system to data warehouse. Example is Talent, Microsoft WSIS. Also machine learning. Extract patterns and make prediction from historical data. Tools include Python, SAS, and R. The last one is customer relationship management and ERP integration. Business application, Salesforce, SAP provide analytics tools built into their platforms. What are the principal components of telecommunication network and key networking technology? Principal components of telecommunication networks: 1. Terminals, device used to access the internet, such as computers, smartphone. Second is transmission media, the physical or wireless pathways that carries the signal, fiber optic and cables. Third is network nodes, switching device, equipment that manages data traffic and connects different parts of the network. Fourth is network interface devices, hardware that connect end-user device to the network, such as network interface cards, modems. The last one is network control software, software that manages network operation, including routing, switching, and security protocols. Key networking technology: one is local area network, LANs. Two is wide area networks. Third one is Internet Protocol (IP), the principal set of rules for routing and addressing packets across networks. Cloud networking uses cloud-based resources and services to manage network functions. And the last one is fiber optic technology, high-speed data transmission using light throughout optical fibers. There are several types of network, each defined by its size, purpose, and structure. Here are the main types. First is local area network, LAN. Covers a small geographic area like home, office, or building. Connects computer and devices within the same location. Fast and typically use Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Second is wide area network, WAN. Spans large geographic areas, such as cities, countries, or globally. Third is personal area network, PAN. Covers a very small area, typically around one person. Example is Bluetooth connected devices like smartphone, smartwatch, and wireless earbuds. Fourth is campus area network, CAN. Interacts multiple LANs within a limited geographic areas, like a university or a business campus. What is the business value of security and control? Business value of security and control: first is protect asset, safeguard data system and intellectual property from theft or damage. Second is ensure continuity, prevent downtime and keep operation running smoothly. Third, maintenance compliance, helps meet legal and regulatory requirements. Build trust, increase customer confidence and protect reputation. The last one is reduce costs, avoid financial losses from bankruptcy or cyber attacks. The key components of security and control framework: first, security policies, set rules for protecting data. Second, access control, limit who can access system. 3. Authentication, confirm user identity. Fourth, physical and network security, protect hardware and data flow. Fifth is monitoring, track activity and detect threats. The last one is training, educate staff on best practice. In conclusion, we hope this presentation has helped clarify the key components related to IT infrastructure, hardware and software management, and database system. These principles are essential for understanding how modern information systems operate and support business success. If you have any question or comment, please feel free to leave them in the designation section. We will be more than happy to respond and provide any further clarification needed. Thank you all for your watching.